All right, good morning, weather weenies. I know you guys have a bunch of questions about the aurora, and so let's do a quick Q&A. Yesterday was unprecedented. I didn't go to bed until like after midnight. I was up super early at like 5, so today's gonna be a little bit rough, but I am running on pure adrenaline from yesterday because... Okay, so let's go through these one by one because there was a ton. I didn't want to do separate videos. Here there might be another chance Saturday night too. Let's talk about it. So yeah, there is a chance. Not like yesterday's chance, at least according to this forecast data. I don't know the solar weather stuff as well as I do like our earthly atmospheric weather. There seems to be more variability. The forecast timing can change or what have you. So it's actually like, it was GS 5, 4, 3, 5. It's going to peak again, this morning at like 5 it did. We're going to see another peak tonight up to GS 3. So there is a chance tonight. So after the sun sets, it seems like this is definitely an earlier event, and that's if this timing holds, which it didn't yesterday. It really bumped up a lot. Check, because there is a chance. If you want the best chance, there's an app out there called Aurora. Go get it because it'll show you your viewing probability, your cloud coverage for your location. It also shows the forecast for upcoming days, like short term and then long term as well. I don't know how much this can be trusted once again, but just looking and seeing, yeah, there's a chance tonight. Like, go outside and look. What do you have to lose? So again, this app is called Aurora. Find it, download it. It's really helpful. Question 2, I can see it, but only with my phone. Any explanation for that? I don't have a great explanation other than I saw that too. So what I noticed yesterday was when it was really dim and faint, it's like, oh, I can kind of see it. And then if you do the right setting on your phone, it definitely looked more vibrant. But I will admit, when it got bright and it turned to like the curtains of light, it was like it ignited and it was ridiculously evident with the naked eye. And I think a lot of that just has to do with the amount of light there was, is that it can be so dim and it's hard to see in the naked eye with the sensitivity of our eyes, especially compared to like when the moon is out and if there's any like urban lighting around, and stuff like that, that you're seeing any of the light pollution just helps to degrade that. That might be brighter when it's really dark. And the last one, I guess, isn't even a question, right? Like Northern Lights in a full eclipse in just over a month, I can die happy. Like, no joke. I'm like on the verge of a spiritual crisis with all of it because that eclipse is like a once in a lifetime event, right? Like the next one that's going to happen, I can't assume I'm going to be around for. And then this Northern Lights thing. I mean, people could see this down in Georgia, in Alabama, in Texas, in Arizona. All of those states were able to see this. And down there, the colors were very vibrant red even. So yeah, it was just, man. So when it gets dark tonight, go out and look everywhere. Not just to the north, and be patient too. Like, give it some time. Maybe it's kind of faint. It might light up really bright, but if it does, it's for seconds. So go get it, guys.